Good morning, everyone. Respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Ashwik. I am studying in class 5. My school name is Krista Raja English Primary School. Today I would like to say a few words about Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day every year on August 15th. This day is most important day for all of us. India became independent on August 15, 1947. From British rules, Independence Day is a big national festival of our country. Our Prime Minister hoists the flag in Red Fort at New Delhi. Our national flag has three colors. There are saffron, white, green. Saffron stands for strength, white stands for peace, green stands for fertility. There are 24 spokes in Ashoka Chakra. We are living happy now because our freedom fighters sacrificed their life for our country. We should remember great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh and many more. Our freedom is priceless. We should celebrate this day with great spirit. We should proud to be Indians. We should respect our nation. I wish all of you 75th Independence Day. I love my country very much. Jai Hind. Thank you all.